people, so we are still in the plane, and here is how it looks like. We are going through some clouds. Later, now it's getting a little motion sickness, but I look at how much clouds. Clouds are in the air. Clouds are everywhere. Oh my God! If you are here. So if you are here,